Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to spot trade on HTX app. We'll use the BTC or USDT pair as an example to demonstrate how to spot trade on HTX app. Step 1. Log into the HTX app and click Trade. Step 2. To view possible trading pairs, click the Lines menu option at the upper left of the spot page. Step 3. Select the BTC or USDT trading pair by clicking USDT. Step 4. In the Limit Order drop-down menu, select the type of order. We'll use Limit Order as an example. Note: limit orders allow you to purchase or sell cryptocurrency at a defined price. Market orders allow you to buy or sell cryptocurrency at the current real-time market price. Input the quantity of BTC you want to buy, and the USDT cost will be displayed. Step 5. Enter the amount of BTC you want to buy and the price of USDT at which you want to acquire it. Step 6. Select Buy BTC and wait while the transaction is completed. Step 7. The limit order will be fulfilled once the BTC market price reaches the price you specified. Notice: you can sell cryptocurrency in the same manner by clicking Sell on the spot page. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.